Why water is blue. This is an article from Curious Children, a series for children. The conversation is asking children to send in questions they'd like a professional to answer. All queries are wacky, weird or severe. Why is this sky blue and where does it begin? Oliver Scott, Wombarra, age 7. This is something which parents get asked every day. Oliver, and it's a great question. People believe the sky is blue due to sun reflected off the sea and back. The sky is blue in the middle of the countryside, nowhere. Others believe it's due. However, the sky is blue in places which are incredibly dry, like the desert. What's the real reason? The sky is because of the manner sun interacts with our air. If you in a prism have ever played or seen a rainbow, you know light consists of distinct colors. The name Roy G. Bibb helps us recall these colors. Red. These colors make up a tiny portion of the spectrum, including microwaves, waves, and radio waves. This means the waves which permit us to heat up our leftovers cause sunburns, and let's hear the radio are all sorts of light. Light moves as waves of various lengths. There are a few long, making light that is redder, and a few are short, making bluer light. The bluer light is scattered by molecules in the air, but allow the light pass through, as sun reaches our air. Scientists call this Rayleigh scattering. When this sun is high in this sky, it seems its true color. White. At sunrise plus sunset, we see a much redder sun. It is since the sun is passing through a thicker layer of our air. This scatters this blue and green light on this way, allowing this redder light to pass through plus illuminate this clouds in a splendid array of red, orange, and pink. Rayleigh scattering may affect how we see the moon. When the moon passes throughout this shadow of this Earth during a total lunar eclipse, blue plus green light is diffused in this Earth's atmosphere, letting crimson light pass through. Our air acts like a magnifying glass, refracting the red sunlight onto the moon. This may give it a spooky dark red hue. For that reason, many civilizations, including a few Australian Aboriginal groups, correlate lunar eclipses with blood. Rayleigh scattering works on other planets, too. Did you understand which the sky on Mars is also blue? And lastly, where does the sky start? That is a tricky question.